Hello friends, welcome to Yaraa. Today we're going to see how you can create your own personalized 3D virtual avatar. Using personalized avatar, you can upload you on your website, right? And this becomes your personal branding, your own personal 3D avatar. So let's just check it out. So you need to go to Yaraa AI Agent backend, go to AI Agent settings, and then scroll all the way down to select after type and select Generate After Radio button. Once you select, then you'll be asked to upload the after image. So you choose your headshot, good headshot. Make sure you have a white background on the background. The image that we have as an example doesn't have it, but for the better result, you should have the white background. Upload the headshot and just click generate and it will generate the ideal author, which is the first one. As you can see, that's the ideal status of the after, and the second one is just speaking after, right? So it will generate two different. Make sure if you upload a male headshot, select the after gender as male, because the voice will be depending on that selection. So now let's just go in the front end, because now we have saved it and deployed it. So it's coming up in the front end, and now we're going to try it. So that's a default one. And then, once you add the name, email, and start speaking, engaging with the virtual of that, it will. Welcome the visitors with the speaking more and answering all the questions. So you yourself, your own personal identity, will be engaging a potential customer on your website, and that will increase the sales tremendously. So I would highly recommend generate your own personal avatar and upload it on your website through Yaraa. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel.